Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make garlic parmesan shrimp, and it's a very tasty dinner recipe, and it's an easy one to make too. So let's go for the ingredients. Now let's get started. Our first step is we are going to marinate the shrimp. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, little bit of pepper, and little bit of salt, and we are going to mix it and marinate it for 15 minutes. Set it aside for 15 minutes. Our next step is we are going to fry the shrimp. For that I have taken olive oil. Once the oil gets heated, I'm going to add the shrimp. After a minute, we're going to flip over the shrimp and cook it on the other side. We are keeping the flame on a medium low. After 1 minute on the other side, I'm going to take out the shrimp. To the same pan, I'm going to add the butter. Next, add the garlic and saute it. Now we are going to add the white onions. Now we are going to add half a cup of cooking wine. And we are going to keep the heat on a high. After 2 minutes, I'm going to add the whole cream. And we are going to cook it. After 2 minutes, I'm going to add the parmesan cheese. And the rosemary and thyme. Stir it well. Add a little bit of salt and pepper according to your taste. Now let's add the fried shrimp. After it comes to a boil, we're going to turn off the stove and garnish it with fresh parsley. Now let's serve the garlic parmesan shrimp on a bed of pasta. Now your delicious garlic parmesan shrimp is ready. Let's go ahead and do a taste. The shrimp is cooked perfectly, and all the spices and the creaminess of the cream and the garlic, the olive oil, everything, it's so tasty. You can taste all the ingredients. And if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and enjoy our recipe. Thank you.